Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a product to wishlist on Meesho. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download Meesho app? You can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add a product to wishlist on Meesho. Now, what exactly does the wishlist concept entails? It means, let's say you're browsing a couple of products and you see one product that strikes you possibly, but you do not have the resources at that moment to buy it. You can buy now. So you just want to add it to your wish list so you can save it. You can get it later. So that's more like saving to wish list is saving for later. That's just what it means. So let's say this Bluetooth speaker is white, it's entering into my eyes, and funnily enough I can't even find the Bluetooth speaker again. It's just taking me to electronics. Okay, let's say I love this unique mobile holders, so I'm just gonna click on that, and I do want to buy now. I don't want to add to cart. I don't want to buy now. I just want to save it to wish list, which is save for later. Then when I have the resources to purchase this, I can go over to wish list and put with the prompt to install, to buy rather. Okay, so now just right below the picture of this product, you're going to see wish list with the heart icon, and you're going to see share. So go ahead and click on the heart icon and it's going to turn red. Now it's not turning red because I have not signed in. I'm restricted. So let's say you have signed in already and you clicked on that heart icon. It's going to turn red, and once it turns red, check the top right corner of your screen where you have this heart icon. Click on that and you'll see all your products added to the wish list. So that's pretty much the process. You can now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.